Let's crochet the nose of the cow with pink yarn together. We will need to start with slip knot and work 6 chain stitches, then we need to work into the following chain stitches from the second chain stitch from hook. Begin with 4 single crochet, followed by 3 single crochet in 1 stitch, 3 single crochet and 1 increase. Totally 12 stitches. Now, left palm facing you. Hold the yarn tail and loop the yarn once around your pinky. Wrapping the yarn around your index finger with the yarn tail facing you. Hold on the yarn tail with your thumb and middle finger. Put your hook under the yarn with the tip of the hook facing you. Rotate hook from bottom to top to make a loop on hook. Yarn over and pull it through the loop. Pull tight. So, we got 1 slip knot. Yarn over and pull through the loop on hook to work 1 chain stitch. You can see a V-shape stitch. Repeat with 5 more chain stitches. We can see 6 chain stitches. This is the first chain stitch from hook and this is the second chain stitch from hook. Insert hook into the second chain stitch from hook and work 1 single crochet next. Yarn over and pull yarn through. Yarn over and pull through to loops. Mark this first stitch. Repeat with 3 more single crochet. The second single crochet. Three. 4. Got 4 single crochet. Now, we need to work 3 single crochet in the next stitch on left. The first single crochet. 2. 3. 'Then work 1 single crochet in the next stitch on left. Repeat with 2 more single crochet. The second single crochet. 3. Insert hook into the next stitch and work to single crochet to make 1 increase. Two single crochet in the same stitch equal 1 increase. Got 1 increase. Now, we have finished totally 12 stitches for round 1. We can count the stitches together. Started from the marking stitch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Insert hook into the marking first stitch to work 1 slip stitch. Yarn over and pull through. Pull the first loop through the second loop. So, we have finished round 1. For round 2 to round 3, we need to work 12 single crochet each round, totally 12 stitches each round. Yarn over and pull through the loop on hook to work 1 chain stitch at the beginning. Insert your hook into the first stitch to work 1 single crochet, mark this stitch. Repeat single crochet to finish 12 single crochet for round 2. The third single crochet. 4, 5, 6, 7,